so shaky. Well, feels like we're finally getting back on our feet. You find a buyer for that bombs we stole? Not yet. Couple of days working. We had passed. So, I don't know. Feels like things are changing. The whole world is changing. They don't want folk like us. We're being hunted. We're smarter than that. Only the feeblest of men take jobs in the government. I hope so.
Trust Dutch, Mr. Morgan. You have to.
They got Micah. Dutch!
What's going on?
They got Micah. He's been arrested for murder. He was in Strawberry.
It's okay, son. Breathe.
Ya la he liado.
You're nearly listening. They got Micah and the sheriffs in Strawberry.
Joder.
It's open. What? What? Fool robbed this on himself. What my feelings about him? I can't see past his busting to the heart inside. He was a fine man. No, I ain't saving that fool. I can't go. My face will be all over West Elizabeth. I ask. He would do it for you. I don't think he would. At all. You okay, Lenny?
Yep, que
Of course I'm okay. Don't seem okay. Take that kid into town. Valentine, not Strawberry. Get him dropped. And Arthur, no crazy business. I'm giving that up. And you get Micah out of that jail. Come on, son. I'll get to it, Dutch. Good job, everything.
un lector. Bueno. Me pasé, creo. ¿Qué dice niño? Qué miedo de caballo tienes, amigo. Claro.
I kept asking him what he was doing, but he worried too much, kid. Just some business to a kid, cute kid. You know how he is. He was half soaked before we even got there. Then we ran into some fellas. One of them, Mike and me, drank some more. And this is supposed to be a dry town we're in, too. Couldn't even tell you quite how. Happened like the strike of a match. The law was on us fast, too. They was ready to strangle me up dead and live. But I got away, just about. So you gonna go live? I'll come with you. It was Trent that started all this. Okay. What kind of fight? If you say so, Uncle.
Cuidado. Me va con Laja ahora. Acércate a la barra.
Just one or two. Right off. Of course, just couple beers, please? You? I don't want no trouble. You'll get none from me. I was defending myself.
Y esta misión.
Have one for yourself. Thank you.
Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff, but Micah...
Crazy stuff. Will you shut up? Will you shut up? Be quiet,
Uy.
buddy. Oh, there, Duller. My lord. You men is dumb.
They need to stay alone.
Leave the fool alone. People that leave me alone. Listen, buddy. You're a charming fellow. One of the best. But me and the kid here, we're trying to talk business. Could you possibly leave us alone? No offense intended. Ain't no pleasing some folk.
Sí me gusta.
Just trying to be friendly. That's great, partner. Lenny, where are you?
Ahora que buscar a Lenny.
See that fella out there? My friend, you know where he went?
A ver, toma.
Know which way my friend went?
Arriba, arriba.
Hey, you see my friend anywhere?
Ujú.
Hey, Lenny! Lenny? Lenny, where are you?
¿Dónde pollas está Lenny? Lenny. Leonardo, ¿dónde estás, Leonardo? ¿Has visto a Lenny? No. No es Lenny. Está aquí. Desapareció. Abajo, abajo, si no... ¿Cómo que no? Está aquí. ¿Qué coño? Madre mía. Ay, Dios. Y él. está bien. Toma. No, no lo voy a ahogar, pobrecito. No. Hostia, que lo devuelvo. Quería que lo ahogara, tío. Yo no soy así. Corre, corre, corre. No, no, no. Debería volver. Ah, no me deja. No voy a ir, sí. No, Lenny. Me tuvieron a Lenny por mi culpa. Leonardo. Terrible. Perdimos a Lenny. Literal. No sé dónde está.